Here's my Kreepy Krauly robotic pool cleaner, Prowler 820. It's done real good for us. The other day it quit working, took it into the pool store, and they hooked it up to one of their cords, and the motor actually worked. So we knew it wasn't the motor, it was the cord. So my good brother Johnny helped me take it apart and find the problem in the cord. I'm going to take it apart here and show you our repair job. And all this stuff is a little more complicated, obviously, because of being in the pool. It has to be waterproof, and so I'll show you what we did to do that. Okay, so I took the cover off here, off the top, and I'm going to try to get down in here where you can see our repair job. So we repaired the wire, and we covered it in tape, and then we took a clear tubing. We actually slit the tubing, wrapped it around it, filled it with silicone. And as you can see, there's zip ties holding it all tight, and there is silicone everywhere, smeared all in that thing, surrounding the ends of it. So we are going to put her in the pool and see how she works after the repair. My pool cleaner's been out now for probably a good week or so, and as you can see, my pool is dirty. And so we call him Carl, we call the cleaner Carl. We're gonna launch Carl into the pool and see if he can get this place cleaned up. Alright, so we are ready to try him out here. Got my handy sidekick here, Moses. Gonna be watching, making sure everything is safe and up to code. So we got the cord hooked up, got the controller right here, ready to start. We're gonna set him on in water. Hopefully the silicone is dried and good. We're gonna hit the button and see if she goes to cleaning. Go, Carl, go. said the cord was bad at the pool store and it was going to cost about $330 for a new cord. So we have totally tricked the system here and just fixed the cord we had. So it's definitely a good deal. She is working, and maybe once he's done cleaning we'll give an update on how he's done. So good to go. Over and out. Clean away, Carl.